Your scientists are finally learning what philosophers have known for centuries: that mind can influence matter. They still have to discover the fact that mind creates and forms matter. Now, your closest environment, physically speaking, is your body. It is not like some mannequin shape in which you are imprisoned that exists apart from you, like a casing. Your body is not beautiful or ugly, healthy or deformed, swift or slow, simply because this is the kind of body that was thrust upon you indiscriminately at birth. Instead, your physical form, your corporal personal environment, is the physical materialization of your own thoughts, emotions, and interpretations. Quite literally, the inner self forms the body by magically transforming thoughts and emotions into physical counterparts. You grow the body. Its condition perfectly mirrors your subjective state at any given time. Using atoms and molecules, you build your body, forming basic elements into a form that you call your own. You are intuitively aware that you form your image and that you are independent of it. You do not realize that you create your larger environment and the physical world as you know it by propelling your thoughts and emotions into matter. A breakthrough into three-dimensional life. The inner self, therefore, individually and in mass, sends its psychic energy out, forming tentacles that coalesce into form. Each emotion and thought has its own electromagnetic reality, completely unique. It is highly equipped to combine with certain others, according to the various ranges of intensity that you may include. In a matter of speaking, three-dimensional objects are formed in somewhat the same way that images you see on your television screen are formed, but with a large difference. And if you are not tuned into that particular frequency, you will not perceive the physical objects at all. Each of you act as transformers, unconsciously, automatically transforming highly sophisticated electromagnetic units into physical objects. You are in the middle of a matter-concentrated system, surrounded, so to speak, by weaker areas in which what you would call pseudo-matter persists. Each thought and emotion spontaneously exists as a simple or complex electromagnetic unit, unperceived incidentally as yet by your scientists. The intensity determines both the strength and the permanency into which the thought or emotion will be materialized. In my own material, I'm explaining this in depth. Here, I merely want you to understand that the world that you know is the reflection of an inner reality. In the part 6 of chapter 3, Seth speaks the eternal validity of the soul. Let's talk a bit about it. Here Seth discusses the idea that the mind can influence and create physical reality. He highlights the connection between thoughts, emotions, and the physical body. Seth suggests that your body is not a separate entity, but rather a manifestation of your thoughts and emotions. Seth gives us the concept that it is the inner self that shapes the physical body and the environment by transforming thoughts and emotions into physical matter. This creation process involves electromagnetic energy and the unique combination of emotions and thoughts. Lastly, Seth emphasizes that individuals unconsciously contribute to forming physical objects through their electromagnetic interactions. If you've enjoyed this passage, please consider giving it a like, share with a friend, and subscribing for more. What did you think about this particular passage? Leave it in the comments below. And as always, have a wonderful day, and thank you.